is Foxy by Nature, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on another video from Girl You Foxy. So what we're going to talk about today is another unboxing. I ordered a purse, actually a couple of purses. I already did a previous video on a purse that I got from Sassy Jones on the Home Shopping Network. And I had mentioned in the video that I thought that another purse was included in the bag or the box, but it wasn't. So the box finally came with my additional purse item that I purchased from Sassy Jones on the Home Shopping Network. So I am excited to actually show you guys what I received from Sassy Jones from the Home Shopping Network. Okay, so we're gonna jump right. Go ahead and open this up. I thought this bag was really cute. I watched the video that they had on the Home Shopping Network for this cute little pouch. It's like a cute little fanny pack from Sassy Jones in the color silver. And it has a pocket in the back for you to kind of maybe put some keys or your cell phone right there for easy access. And we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. We got in there. Before we do that, we're gonna take off some of these extra little tags and protective plastics that they have on there. Okay, so let's open it up. And inside, we have some more attachments. Goes around the waist. You can just tighten it up as you go. So I think this is so cool. Quick, easy access to put some additional items. And it zippers twice. It has two zippers, so if you want to zip it all toward the middle, you can, like this, or zip them out. Just makes it easier to get it open and to get to things that you need. I think that is so cool. So that's one strap, or one way you can wear the fanny pack. So now, let's try it another way. With the other strap. Now this strap is more for if you're just going to use it as like a purse, just to kind of throw around your shoulder. We'll do that with this particular strap. Or vice versa, if you wanted to use the other way, you can also do that as well. So we're just going to loosen this up, make this a bigger strap. So now we have it as like a purse, a little pouch across your shoulder, but you can carry it like this. So you don't necessarily have to wear it as a fanny pack, but it also can be used as a purse as well. Okay. If you guys think that this is a really cute bag to take to go on trips or really quick trips or anywhere, just an everyday wear, go ahead and mention it in the comments. Thank you guys for joining, and I'll see you guys on the next video.